Today, I'm going to show you how to fix Strava GPS if it's not working properly on your phone. So the first thing we need to do is make sure your phone's location services are turned on, and then we'll check that Strava has the right permissions to access your location. Let's get started. Alright, so I'm going to open the Settings app on my phone. This is where all the main system settings are stored, and it's where we need to go to control how apps like Strava can access your GPS. Once I tap on settings, it opens up and I can see all the different options available. Now what I'm looking for here is the location setting. This controls whether your phone's GPS is active or not, which is essential for Strava to track your runs, rides, and other activities. So I'm scrolling through the menu until I find location, and then I'm going to tap on it. As soon as I open the location settings, I can see a toggle at the top that shows whether location is turned on or off. If this is turned off, Strava won't be able to track anything because your phone isn't using GPS at all. So I'm checking to make sure this toggle is switched on. If it's off, I'll just tap it to turn it on. Once that's enabled, my phone can now use GPS, but we're not done yet because we still need to make sure Strava itself has permission to use that location data. Now I'm going back to the main settings screen. I can do this by tapping the back arrow or swiping back depending on my phone. Once I'm back at the settings menu, I'm looking for the apps option. This is where I can see all the apps installed on my phone and manage their individual permissions. So I'm tapping on apps to open that section. Inside the apps menu, I can see a list of all the applications on my device. What I need to do now is find Strava in this list. Depending on how many apps you have, you might need to scroll a bit or use the search function if your phone has one. Once I locate Strava, I'm going to tap on it to open the app settings page. Now that I'm inside Strava's app settings, I can see various options related to how the app works on my phone. What I'm looking for here is the permissions section. This is where I can control what Strava is allowed to access, like your camera, storage, and most importantly, your location. So I'm tapping on permissions to see what Strava currently has access to. Once the permissions menu opens, I can see a list of different permissions that Strava might need. The one we care about right now is location. I'm going to tap on location to open those specific settings. Here I can usually choose between different location access options like allow all the time, allow only while using the app, or deny. For Strava to work properly and track your activities, it needs location access. So I'm making sure that location is turned on. Ideally, you want to select allow only while using the app or allow all the time depending on your preference. If it was set to deny or off, that would explain why Strava wasn't tracking your GPS properly. Once I've confirmed that location is turned on for Strava, the app should now have full access to your phone's GPS. This means when you start recording an activity in Strava, it will be able to track your route, distance, and speed accurately. And that's it. By making sure location is enabled on your phone and that Strava has permission to use it, you've fixed the GPS issue. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.